ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। कारके
कारके
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
ध्रुवमपाये
अपाये
अपादानं
अपादानं
वीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
वीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
पराजेरसोढः
पराजेरसोढः
वारणार्थानाम् ईप्सितः
वारणार्थानां ईप्सितः
अन्तर्धौ येनादर्शनमिच्छति
अन्तर्धौ येनादर्शनमिच्छति
आख्यातोपयोगे
आख्यातोपयोगे
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
जनिकर्तुः
जनिकर्तुः
प्रकृतिः
प्रकृतिः
भुवः प्रभवः
भुवः प्रभवः
प्रभवः
कर्मणा यमविप्रैति ससम्प्रधानम्
कर्मणायमविप्रैति
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
श्लाघन्नुंस्ताशपाङीप्स्यमानः
श्लाघुंस्थाशपामीप्स्यमानः
ईप्स्यमानः
धारेरुत्थमर्णः
धारेरुत्तमर्णः
स्पृहेरीप्सितः
स्पृहेरीप्सितः
क्रुधद्रुहेर्ष्यासूयार्थानां यं प्रतिकोपः
क्रुधद्रुहेर्ष्यासूयार्थानां यं प्रतिकोपः
क्रुधद्रुहोरुपसृष्टयो कर्म
क्रुधद्रुहोरुपसृष्टयो कर्म
राधीक्ष्योर्यस्य विप्रश्नः
राधीक्ष्योर्यस्य प्रश्नः
प्रत्याङ्व्यां शुभः पूर्वस्य कर्ता
प्रत्याङ्भ्याः
पूर्वस्य
शुभस्य
कर्ता
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 अनुप्रतिगृणश्च
अनुप्रतिगृहश्च
साधकतमं करणम्
साधकतमं
करणम्
करणं
दिवःकर्म च
विवःकर्म च
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानम् अन्यतरस्याम्
परिक्रयणे
सम्प्रदानम्
अन्यतरस्याम्
अन्यतरस्याम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
अधिशींस्तासां कर्म
अतिशींस्तासां
कर्म
कर्म
अभिनिविशश्च
अभिनिविशश्च
उपान्वद्भ्यां वसः
उपान्वद्भ्यां
वसः
कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म
कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म
तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितम्
तथा युक्तं चानियुक्तं
चानियुक्तम्
अकथितं च
अकथितं च
अकर्मधातुभिर्योगे देशः कालो भावो गन्तव्योऽध्वा च कर्म इति वाच्यम्
कर्मधातुर्योगे
देशकालो भावो
गन्तव्योऽध्वा च कर्म इति वाच्यम्
कर्म इति वाच्यम्
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थशब्दकर्म कर्मकाणाम् अणिकर्तासनौ
बुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थ शब्दकर्म कर्म काणाम् अणिकर्तासनौ
ऋक्रोरण्यतरस्याम्
ऋक्रोरण्यतरस्याम्
अभिवादिदृशोरात्मने पदे वेति वाच्यम्
अभिवादिदृशोरात्मने पदे वेति वाच्यम्
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
We are reading Dvitiya Vibhakti from the book Samskrita Bharati. From here, Idam Avadeyam. Last class we were seeing the Gati Buddhi Pratyavasanartha Sutram. Asmin Pustake Gati Buddhi, that is 1452. Gati Buddhi Pratyavasanartha Shabda Karma Karmakanam Manikartasanau 1452. Iti Sutram Arabhya Rikroranyatarasya 1453. Iti Sutrantam. It is there in our table also. Sutrantam ye dhatavaha pariganayya uktaha tesham dhatonam prayoge eva ityukte tesham dhatvarthanam eva paryaya dhatvartha प्रयोज्यकर्ता कर्मसंज्ञां प्राप्नोति अणिकर्ता प्रयोज्यकर्ता इत्युक्ते अणिकर्ता कर्मसंज्ञां प्राप्नोति न अन्येषां धातूनां प्रयोगे अन्येषां धातूनाम् इत्युक्ते अन्येषां धात्वर्थानाम् अन्यधातूनाम् अन्य अर्थानां धातूनां प्रयोज्यकर्तुः कर्मत्वं न उदाहरणं पाचकः ओदनं पचति स्वामी पाचकेन ओदनं पाचयति दिस अत्र पच धातुः न अंतर्भूताः गतिबुद्धि प्रत्यवसानार्थ शब्द कर्म कर्मकाणां न अंतर्भूतः अतः पाचकः इति प्रयोज्यकर्तुः तृतीया विभक्तिः न तु द्वितीया. So many other examples also. Yes, is mentioning that. Swami pachakera vodanam pachayati iti atra prayuktah pach dhatuh परिगणितेषु न अंतर्भूतः. this is not included in the dhatu. Then what are those dhatus included? Pariganita dhatavaha ke. Then for that, you have to take from here Gati Buddhi Pratyasanartha Gatyartha Kadatu, then Buddhyartha Kadatu. Yeah, yeah. Evancha Gatyarthakanam, Avagamanarthakanam, Bhakshanarthakanam, Shabdakarmanam, Akarmakanam, Cha Prayojakarta. So these are the dhatus. So Gatyarthaka dhatu, example, Gam dhatu. Avagamanartha dhatu, Bodh dhatu, Buddha dhatu, Bodhati. Then Bhakshana, Bhung dhatu. There also we have Apavada. Adikadyoho na iti. Adhatu, Kadhatu will not govern Prayojakarta in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Then Shabda Karma. Then Akarmakhanam, Upapurvaka Vishdhatu. Then this also to be included. Jalpati Pravritinam, Upasankhyanam, and Drishesha also is there, Drishdhatu. Then Drishesha, that Pashyati. Then Vakdhatu and the Ni Dhatu. These dhatus will not govern Apavada. Bakhni and Kad Ati, Bhakshayati. Ni Vakyo Hona, Adikadyo Hona, Bhakshahi Ahimsartasya. Bhakshadhatu when it is Ahimsartasya. Na. Then Shabdayate also, one more Vartikam is there to be included in the table. Shabdayate. It's a Navadhatu. So these dhatus will not govern karma in Prayojakarta in karma. Then we saw Hri Kri Anyataracham optionally. So accepting these dhatus, any other dhatus will come, then it will be Tritiya, Prayojakarta. Prayojakartaku Tritiya Vibhakti. That's what he says. Ataha Prayojakartaku Pachakasya Karmatvam Nasti. Pachtato is not included. Ataha Dvitiya api Nasti. Kintu Kartratvasya Sadbhava Tritiya eva. Tritiya Vibhakti only it will take. Evam Karmakaraha Kupam Khanati Khandatu. Swami Karmakarena Kupam Khanayati. Ityadavapi Prayojakartuhu Karmakarasya Karmatvam Nasti. Karmakara, the Prayojakarta, will not take Karma Sanya. Therefore, why? Because na antarbhutatvat. Khandato hopi parigaditeshu anantarbhutatvat. Not enumerated in the dhatu list. Therefore, it will not take Karma Sanya. Therefore, not Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya only. Then next, Adishing Stasam Karma, 1446. Arihi Vaikuntam Adishete. Adipurvaka Shing Dhatu Shete Shayate Sherate. Will not take Karma Adi, but Adipurvaka, if Adipurvaka, then it takes Karma. Vaikuntam, it's Karma Sanyaka. Therefore, Dvitiya, Adhyapakaha Vidyalayam Aditishtati, Adipurvaka Stadatu. Then Chatraha, Chatra Vasam, hostel, Adhyaste, Adipurvaka Astatu. Adishing Stasam Karma, Adipurvanam Esham, Adaraha Karmasyat. Adi iti Upasarga Purvakasya, Shing Dhatoho, Stadatoho, Hastatohoscha, Adaraha Karma Signam Prapnoti. Adaraha coming as Anuvruti from the previous sutta. Adaraha Adhikaranam. The locus, Adipurvaka, Shing Sta, then Asdatu. Those Adara, the locus, will take Karma Signya. Yatha Arihi Vaikuntam Adishete. Atradi iti Upasarga Purvaka Shindaktuhu Prayuktaha Adishete iti Shaya शयन अनुकूल व्यापारः अधिशेते इति अस्य अर्थः तत्वर्थः। हरिः अत्र कर्ता कर्तृद्वारा शयनानुकूल व्यापारस्य आधारः वैकुण्ठः। अतः अधिकरणसंज्ञा प्राप्ता वैकुण्ठस्य। ताम् अधिकरणसंज्ञां निषिध्य प्रकृतसूत्रेण कर्मसंज्ञा विधीयते। अतः वैकुण्ठशब्दात् द्वितीया कर्मणि द्वितीया 232 अनभिहिते कर्मणि द्वितीया इति सूत्रेण द्वितीया विभक्तिः। अधिशेते शयन अनुकूल व्यापारस्य आधारः लोकस। आधारः इस अधिकरणम अधिकरणत्वात् supposed to be सप्तमी but that is negated. So 1446 negating अधिकरण संज्ञा आधारः not अधिकरणम it is कर्म संज्ञा कर्म संज्ञकत्वात् कर्मणि द्वितीया सूत्रेण द्वितीया विभक्तिः। If adi if is not there then it is saptami. Arihi Vaikunte Shete it will be because Vaikunta is Adharaha Adhikaranam. Adi Upasarga Nasti, therefore Shete, Vaikunte Shete. Adhyapakaha Vidyalaye Tishtati. If it Adi Purvaka then Vidyalayam. Atra Adi Upasarga Purvaka Stadatahu Prayuktaha Adi Tishtati iti. Sthiti Anukula Vyaparasya Adharaha Vidyalayaha. स्थिति अनुकूल व्यापारः अधितिष्ठति इत्यस्य अर्थः अध्यापकः अत्र कर्ता कर्तृद्वारा स्थिति अनुकूल व्यापारस्य आधारः विद्यालयः। अतः अधिकरणसंज्ञा प्राप्ता विद्यालयस्य। विद्यालय टेक्स अधिकरणसंज्ञा ताव अधिकरणसंज्ञां निषिध्य प्रकृतसूत्रेण कर्मसंज्ञा विधीयते। therefore विद्यालय शब्दात् अनभिहिते कर्मणि द्वितीया सूत्रेण द्वितीया। छात्रः छात्रावासम् अध्यास्ते अदि इति उपसर्गपूर्वकास् धातुः प्रयुक्तः अध्यास्ते। here also स्थिति अनुकूल व्यापारः अध्यास्ते इति अस्य अर्थः छात्रः कर्ता कर्तृद्वारा स्थिति अनुकूल व्यापारस्य आधारः छात्रावासः। अतः अधिकरणसंज्ञा प्राप्ता छात्रावासस्य ताम् अधिकरणसंज्ञां निषिध्य प्रकृतसूत्रेण कर्मसंज्ञा विधीयते। therefore छात्रावासशब्दात् द्वितीया अनभिहिते कर्मणि द्वितीया इति सूत्रेण। next is अभिनिविशश्च that सूत्रम्। बालः सन्मार्गम् अभिनी पूर्वक विष्टातु will take when this upasarga then atmanepada. Therefore abhinivishyate abhini iti etat sangatasya vishatehe आधारः कर्म स्यात्। अभि इति एकः उपसर्गः नीति इति अपरः उपसर्गः। अभिनि इति उपसर्गद्वयपूर्वकस्य अभिनि इति विवक्षितं न तु नि अभि इति। that order also important. विष्टातोः आधारः कर्मसंज्ञां प्राप्नोति। कर्म आधारः coming as anuvritti. So the adhara is supposed to be adhikaranam but that is negated and therefore it will take कर्मसंज्ञा कर्मसंज्ञकत्वात् द्वितीया। यथा बालः सन्मार्गम् अभिनिविशते। अत्र अभिनि इति उपसर्गद्वयपूर्वकः विष्टातुः प्रयुक्तः अभिनिविशते इति आग्रह अनुकूल व्यापारः अभिनिविशते इति अस्य अर्थः। बालः अत्र कर्ता कर्तृद्वारा आग्रह अनुकूल व्यापारस्य आधारः सन्मार्गः। अतः अधिकरणसंज्ञा प्राप्ता सन्मार्गस्य ताम् अधिकरणसंज्ञां निषिध्य प्रकृतसूत्रेण कर्मसंज्ञा विधीयते। सन्मार्गशब्दात् अनभिहिते कर्मणि द्वितीया सूत्रेण द्वितीया। Similarly, पापे अभिनिवेशः कल्याणे अभिनिवेशः इत्यादि प्रयोगदर्शनात् क्वचित् द्वितीया न भवति। तत्र इदं कारणम्। अभिनिवेशश्च इत्यत्र पूर्वत्रात् पूर्वत्र सूत्रात् अन्यतरस्यामिति अनुवृत्त्या व्यवस्थित विभाषञ्चाश्रित्य क्वचित् न इति व्यवस्था कृता व्याख्यानकारैः। अन्यतरस्याम, that is brought as anuvritti. Anyatarasyaam, it is Vyavasthita Vibhasha. We will discuss Vyavasthita Vibhasha later. 3 types of Vibhashas are there. Prapta Vibhasha, Aprapta Vibhasha, Prapta Vibhasha, and Vyavasthita Vibhasha. 4 types in fact. Anyatarasyam doesn't come as anuvritti, but some Vaiyakarana, they bring that as anuvritti to accommodate the usage. Pape abhiniveshaha, kalyane abhiniveshaha. Where is that Anyatarasyam? From the sutra, Parikrayane Sampradhanam Anyatarasyam. 44. From there, Anyatarasyam is brought at Anuvritti. So, Abhiniveshasya iti atra Purvatra Sutrat Anyatarasyam iti Anuvrittiya. Vyavasthita Vibhashansya Ashritya Kuchit Na iti Vyavastha Krita Vyakhyana Karaihi. So, therefore, na means it will not take, that is, Kuchit na Vyavastha Krita. It will take Saptami Vibhakti. Dvitiya na bhavati into Saptami. Okay, then Bhagavaha Nagaram Adivasanti. This is Upan Vadhyang Vasaha at Sutram. Balaha Grigam Avasati. Upa, then Adi, Upa Adhyan, then Ang also is there. Upa Anu Ava Adi Ang. Upasarga Purvakasya, Anu Upasarga Purvakasya, Adi Upasarga Purvakasya, Ang also. Ang Upasarga Purvakasya Vasdatoho Adaraha Karmasyat. Bhagavaha Nagaram Adivasanti. Adi is not there, then it will be Nagare. Atra Adi Upasarga Purvakasya Vasdatoho Prayogaha Kritaha Vasa Anukula Vyaparaha Adivasati. Bhagavaha atra vakye kartaraha kartradvara vasa anukula vyaparasya adaraha nagaram. Ataha atra nagarasya adhikarana sanya prapta tam adhikarana sanyam nishidya prakrita sutrena karma sanya vidiyate ataha nagar shabda titiya. Similarly, balaha graham avasati, same thing. Ang upasarga purvaka vasdatuhu. So up to karmani dvitiya, the same format. So what vyapara vasanukula vyaparaha vyaparasya adaraha griham. Therefore by the sutra grigasya adhikarana sanyam nishidya karma sanya. Then evam balaha griham anuvasati balika griham upavasati iti prayoge api. Upavasati ityasya vasam karoti iti arthadvayam. 2 meanings are there. Upavasati is Tatra Vasam Karoti iti arthaka dhatoho yoge karma sanya bhavati. Upavasam Karoti iti arthaka vasdatoho prayoge tu na karma sanya. This already also we have seen, it is there in our table. In the sense of Upavasa, the karma sanya will not come. So, Vasam Karoti iti arthayeva karma sanyam prapnoti. Upavasam karoti ityartya vastatoho prayoge tu na karma sanya. How you say abhuktyartasya na iti vartikam is there. That is a pramanam. Ataha vane upavasati, vane vasam karoti ityartaha. Aranye upavasam karoti ityartaha. Then upapada dvitiya. Masam Mangalotsavaha Saptaham Adithe Masam Gudadhanaha Yojanam Kutila Nadi, Yojanam Patati, Yojanam Parvataha. This also we saw. Kala Dvanayogo Atyanta Sanyoge. Upapada Vibhakti. Advan Shabda. Advanu, Advanaha. Nakaranta Shabda. Adva is Margaha. Path. Kalasya Advanascha. Gunena Kriyaya Dravyena Cha. Atyanta Nirantara. Sanyoge. There is continuous association. Gamye kalasya advanascha dvitiya bhavati evancha gunakriya dravyaihi kalasya sanyoge trini udaharanani advanaha sanyoge trini udaharanani sambhavanti. Guna, kriya, dravya. So three things are there. So for each there will be 6 examples, 3 plus 3. Example, Masam Mangalotsavaha. Here Mangalyam is Guna. Mangalyena Nirantara Sanyoga Masasya. Therefore Masa Dvitiya. Then Saptaham Adite. Here Adite Adhyayana Kriya. Therefore Saptaham Adhyayana Kriya Nirantara Sanyoga Saptahasya. Therefore Dvitiya. Similarly, Gudadhanaha. Gudadhanaha is Dravyam. Gudascha Dhanascha. Gudadhanaha, it's a compound. Dhanaha Brishta Yavaha, barley. So Gudadhanaha Dravyam, Dravyabhutaihi, Gudadhanaihi, Nirantara Sanyogaha, Masasya, therefore, Dvitiya. Mase Ekamapi Dinam Anapahaya Gudadhanaha Santi Ityartaha. Not even one day, Gudadhana is not there. Mase Ekamapi Dinam Anapahaya, Na Apahaya, Anapahaya. Gudadhanaha Santi. Not even one day. Anapahaya, Apapurvakaha, A is Hoha Tyage. Tyage is giving up, not there. So,
Danam.
yeah, Anapahaya. So, Oha Tyage, Ha Purvaka, yeah, what word is that? Anapahaya.
That is lep.
Krityam.
The Kritya Pratyaya.
Kritya. Okay, sorry.
So, Apahaya, Anapahaya. See, it's an interesting word. Samase Ananjpurvek Twalyap. Remember?
Yes.
So, when like Kaditva, right? For example, Akaditva only. We cannot say Akadya, that's wrong. It's not allowed in the language. But Upasarga can be there. For example, same, you take the example of with what? Prapurvaka. Just I'm taking same Kadu Dhatu. Prapurvaka Kadu then Lyap Prakadya, for example. That is fine. Negative of that is Aprakadya, something like that it will happen. Same thing here.
So we cannot write Aprakadya.
Same thing here. Ha Dhatu plus Twa, A plus Twa is Hitwa. Giving up. Hitwa is giving up. Apapurvaka Ha Dhatu plus then Twa. Twa will become Lyap. Therefore, Apa, A, Ya, Apahaya. That is fine. Negative of that is Anapahaya. So after having the Upasarga, negative is possible. But with the Twa Pratyaya itself, that negative, that is Nanch, cannot be there. That is not allowed. You understand?
Okay.
That is what I mean is Ha Purvaka Twa Pratyaya is Itva. Then suppose if you say the negative of haya is anahaya, for example. Negative, and that is not allowed. Samase ananj purvaka. But upasarga is there, apa upasarga, then ha dhatu, then twa will be replaced by lyap. For ha plus ya, haya, apapurvaka, apahaya. Now, negative of this is anapahaya. That is possible. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Ahaya is not possible. Apahaya is possible. Ahaya is ashuddha. It is grammatically wrong. Samasa ananj purvaka sutra negates nanj for a twa ending. If nanj is there, then twa will not be, twa cannot be replaced by lyap. That's what samasa ananj purvaka. Samasa ananj twa lyap. That the nun should not be there. If nanj is there, then twa will not be replaced by lyap. Akaditva is fine. But akadya is wrong. You
Okay.
understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
Kaditva, na kaditva is akaditva. That is allowed. That is fine. But not akadya. That is not correct. Ashuddha it is. I type here. Same kad dhatu. Just for example, kad dhatu I am taking. Kad plus twa becomes kaditva. Having eaten. Na kaditva, akaditva. That is fine. That is valid. Na kaditva is akaditva. Not akadya. That's what Sutra says. Samase ananj. Purvaha twalyap. It should be some other upasarga. Suppose some plus kad plus then twa. Then it becomes twa will be replaced by lyap. Therefore, sankad. Yeah, it will come like that. Twa will be replaced by lyap. Therefore, here upasarga should not be a nanj. It's a rule. Negative of twa pratyanta is na kaditva, akaditva, nan. This is fine. But not here.
So we cannot write asankhadya.
Asankadya is fine. That is possible. The whole thing negative can be there. That negative is here and lyap here will not. That is not allowed. Akadya is not allowed. Akadya is not correct. Whereas some plus kad plus twa, sankadya, negative of that is possible. That is the example here. Apa purvaka. No. Ha dhatu plus twa will be hitva. Na hitva, hitva. That is fine. Na hitva, that is allowed. Na hitva, nanj is not. Na hitva is not, ahiya. Not like that is not allowed. Na hitva, hitva. Now here we have apa purvaka ha dhatu plus twa. Now here it becomes apahaya. Na apahaya, anapahaya. That is fine. That is allowed. Na apahaya, anapahaya. Apahaya, exception. Anapahaya, without exception. That's the meaning.
Okay.
Not even one day is without exception. Not even one day divide of this Guda and Dana. That is what Atyanta Sanyoga. Masam Guda Dhanaha. That is every day Guda and Dana are served or eaten or whatever it is, the context is. Masi Ekamapi Dinam Anapahaya. Not accepting even a day also. Without exception. Even for a day. Guda Dhanaha. Every day, Guda Dhanaha Santi was available. Right? It is available.
Okay.
Then Adva Atyanta Sanyogi Udaharanam, Yojanam Kutila Nadi. Here Kautilyam is the guna. Therefore, Nirantara Sanyoga Yojanasya, therefore Dvitiya by the Sutra. Yojanam Patati, here also Patana Kriya. Kriyas Nirantara Sanyoga Yojanam. Yojanam is distance. Therefore, Kaschite Gachan Yojanam Abhivyapya Nirantaram Patati. Pervading that entire yojana, the distance, Nirantaram Patati, there is, he studies. yojanam patati. Similarly, yojanam parvataha, that is dravyam. So therefore, guna, kriya, dravya. 3 examples for 2. Kala and Advan, 6 example. The next one. Antara tvam ma harihi, antarena harihi na sukam. This is antarantarena yukte. 2, 3, 4. Antarantarena yukte. By that sutra, abhyam yoge dvitiya syad. Antara or antarena. That's what antarantarena yukte, dvitiya bhavati. Antarena is varjayitva. Antara is madhye. Is giving example. Antarena is without. We have seen that. Antara iti akarantam avyaya. Antara. Antara is madhya. Antarena iti, that also avyayam. Antarena varjayitva. Anayogo avyayogo yoge dvitiya bhavati. Antara tvam ma harihi. Antara iti yasya yoge tvam iti mam ma iti cha pada vachyasya. Ataha madhye, between you and me. Between Hari is then Antarena, without Antarena Harim, Sukam, without Hari there is no Sukam. Then Ubayataha, this is by the Vartika. Uba Sarvatasoho, Sutram is there, Vartikam, by that. Margam Ubayataha Vrikshaha Santi, Sarvataha Adhyapakam, Shishyaha Santi, Dik Andritavadinam, Andritavadi, Vadin is a Shabda, Vadi, Vadina, Vadinaha, Vadinam Dvitiya. Upari Upari Bhumim, Vimanani Dhayante, Adhodho Bhumim Jalam Bhavati. This is the Vartika. Uba Sarvatasoho Karya Dik Uparihadishu Trishu Vitiyamrideteshu Tataha Nyatrapi Drishyate. Then Margam Avayataha Vrikshaha Sarvataha, all those examples already we have seen. Sarvataha Adhyapakam Sarvataha Shishyaha Santi. Ding Anritavadinam. Ding Murka iti atra Nishiddha Acharanam iti Adhyaharyam. Nishiddha Acharanam. Acharanam, the act, conduct which is prohibited. So that we say Dik. Tada Murkaha. Dik Nishiddha Acharanam iti Vakyam Sampadyate. Dik Ding Murkaha. Dik iti anena yogaha Nishiddha Acharanasya natu Murkasya. Nishiddha Acharanat Dvitiya. E Murkha Nishiddha Acharanam Nindyam ityartaha. Not dismissing the Murkha, but that Acharanam which is prohibited, that alone is dismissed. Ding Murkaha. Okay. Similarly, Dik iti anena yogaha Anritavadinaha, ataha Anritavadinaha Dvitiya Prakrita Vartikena, Anritavadi Nindyaha ityartaha. There it is Anritavadi Nindyaha. Upari Upari Bhumi Vimanani Dhayante. Upari Upari Samipa Urdhva Bhagavritti. Above and above. Below and below. Adhodaha Bhumim Jaram Bhavati. Griham Abhitaha Trinani Santi. Vidyalayam Paritaha Chatraha Kridanti Bubukshitam Na Pratibhati Kinchit. Pratipurvaka also Pratibhati. Abhitaha Paritaha Samaya Nikashaha Prati Yogi Api, one Vartikam is there. We saw. It is there in the table. So when this Vartikam also is there, then Dvitiya Bhakti Bhavati. Griham Abhitaha Dranani Santi Vidyalayam Paritaha Chatraha Bukshitam Na Pratibhati Kinchit Pratityasya Ityarena Yogi Bukshitasya then Ataha Bukshitat Dvitiya. Gramam Samaya Gramam Nikasha Lankam Ha Krishna Bhaktam. That also then Karma Pravachaniyaha. Karma Pravachaniya Nama Kachana Sanya. 1/4 section it is given Karma Pravachaniya. Anupa Pratipari Abhi Adisu Ati Api Apa Angiti Etesham Pradinam Pradaya Pradayah, Nipataha, and they also they get the sanya. These specific words, karma pravachaniya. The Esha Vishesharthe karma pravachaniya. Specific meaning. When these enjoy a specific meaning, then they get the sanya karma pravachaniya. Eteshu varjanarthe. In the sense of varjana, exception, devoid. Apapari, pratinidhi, prati, dhanarthe. Prati, maryada, that is prati. Apapari is apapari bhagiranchavaha panchamya. Even in samasa also we saw. So apa and pari in varjanartha, pratinidhi pratipadhanar, pratidhanarthe, prati. Maryada vividyarte ang iti ete hi yogi panchami vivakti bhavati. Muktehe samsaraha. Ang maryada abhividi. Ang muktehe samsara. Up to mukti. Not after mukti. Up to mukti of this maryada. Ishwararte adi. Adhikarte upaiti etabhyam yoge saptami ita adi bhuvi ramaha. Anu abhisu ati api lakshanadyarte pratiparihinarte upaiti ete yogi ditya bhaktihi. All these meanings are given in 1/4 section. Karma pravachaniya. It's a 1/4 section. At the end is given. Karma pravachaniyaha anurlakshane ine then upa adikecha apapari varjane ang maryada vachane lakshana yittam bhuta kyana vipsasu pratipariya navaha pratihi pratinidhi pratidhana yogo adipari anartakau. This meaning alone is given here. In this meaning, these words enjoy karma pravachaniya. Then karma pravachaniya is there, then it will govern dvitiya. By the sutra, karma pravachaniya yukte dvitiya. Examples is given. So for example, through the example, you can see the meaning. Vriksham prati vidyot tate vidyut. By the sutra 1490. By the sutra 1490. Lakshana yittam bhuta kyana bhaga vipsasu pratipariya navaha. 3 words are there. एतेषु येषु अर्थेषु विषयभूतेषु प्रत्यादयः उक्तसंज्ञाः स्युः. लक्षणं ज्ञापकम् इत्थं भूताख्यानं कञ्चित् प्रकारं प्राप्तस्य उपपादकम्. भागः स्वीकार्यः अंशः. वीप्सा कार्त्स्न्येन सम्बन्धुम् इच्छा. येषु अर्थेषु प्रतिपरि अनु इति एते त्रयः कर्म प्रवचनीय संज्ञां प्राप्नुवन्ति इति सूत्रस्य फलितार्थः. In this 3 meaning, it will enjoy karma pravachaniya sanya. 1490. I don't remember whether we saw this karma pravachaniya. The context, we can see the meaning. Lakshana ittam bhuta kyana vipsasu pratipari anavaha. Lakshanam ittam bhutakyanam bhagaha tatacha vipsa eteshu sandarbeshu pratipari anu. Ete shabdaha karma pravachaniya sanyakaha bhavanti. Pratipari anavaha is tritiya 1-3. Prathama bhakti bhagavachanam. Yata vriksham pratipari anu vidyotate vidyut is given example. अस्मिन् अधिकारे आगत्य कर्म प्रवचनीय. 15 सूत्रैः कर्म प्रवचनीय. ओके. प्रतिपरि तथा अनु इति एते इति शब्दानां यदा लक्षणम् इत्थं भूताख्यानं भागः तथा वीप्सा एतेषु सन्दर्भेषु प्रयोगः भवति तदा एतेषां शब्द कर्म प्रवचनीय संज्ञा भवति. These 3 pradayah pratipari and anu. In this meaning, when it is used, then we enjoy karma pravachaniya sanya. Lakshanam asmin arte karma pravachaniya, number 1. व्याख्यानेषु लक्षणमिति शब्दस्य अर्थः लक्ष्यते चिन्यते येन तत् लक्षणं, that by which something is indicated. Like for example, सरलभाषायां लक्षणमिति शब्देन अत्र कस्यचित् पदार्थस्य आधारेण दिशायाः संकेतः इति स्वीकृतः अस्ति। यथा संकेतस्य संदर्भे प्रतिपरि तथा अनु इति एतेषां प्रकृतसूत्रेण कर्मप्रवचनीयसंज्ञा भवति। यस्य पदार्थस्य आधारेण दिशायाः संकेतः दीयते, दिशायाः द डायरेक्शन, संकेतः इज इंडिकेटेड यस्य पदार्थस्य आधारेण by a पदार्थ, पदस्य अर्थः पदार्थः by a thing, तस्य निर्देशः लक्षणम् इति शब्देन भवति। लाइक एग्जांपल, देवदत्तः ग्रामं प्रति गच्छति, देवदत्तः ग्रामं परिगच्छति, ग्रामम् अनुगच्छति। So ग्रामस्य दिशि गच्छति, towards the direction of, towards the village. So अत्र दिशायाः सन्दर्भेन, so दिशायाः सन्दर्भेन, दिशा direction towards that grama he goes. Therefore प्रतिपर्यनि इति एते शब्दाः प्रकृतसूत्रेण कर्मप्रवचनीयसंज्ञकाः भवन्ति। Therefore एतेषां योगे ग्रामपदार्थस्य, ग्रामपदार्थस्य निर्देशार्थं कर्मप्रवचनयुक्ति द्वितीया by that sutra it enjoys द्वितीया विभक्तिः। कश्चित् पदार्थस्य निर्देशार्थं निर्देशः दिशायाः सन्दर्भेन प्रयुक्ताः शब्दाः प्रतिपरि अनु, ये शब्दाः प्रयुक्ताः तेषां कर्मप्रवचनीय संज्ञा भवन्ति। Similarly, रामः रावणं प्रति क्षिपति, रामः रावणं परि शरान् क्षिपति। Similarly, रामः रावणं अनु, towards Ravana. Here also रावणस्य दिशि, रावणं लक्षीकृत्य, that is the meaning, that's why lakshana indicates towards that direction. So दिशायाः संकेतः कृतः, that is what lakshanam is. Similarly, शलभाः अग्निं प्रति, शलभाः grasshopper, अग्निं प्रतिपतन्ति, अग्निं परिपतन्ति, अग्निं चिन्नीकृत्य लक्षीकृत्य तस्य दिशि एव ढयन्ते इति आशयः। So that is चिन्नीकृत्य लक्षीकृत्य, towards Agni it falls. Similarly, vriksham prati, this is the example given. Vriksham prati vidyottate vidyut. Vidyut, the lightning, it's towards the, strikes towards the, shines towards the, vidyotate, towards the tree. Vidyut vrikshasya dishi vidyotate. Vrikshasya dishi vidyotate vidyut. So therefore, द्वितीया विभक्ति towards the द्वितीया विभक्ति for the vriksha. नित्यं भूताख्यानम् अस्मिन् अर्थे, नित्यं भूताख्यानम् is in this कंचित प्रकारम् आपन्नम्, in this way कंचित प्रकारम् आपन्नम् इत्थं भूतम्, तस्य आख्यानम् to denote that इत्थं भूताख्यानम्। सरल भाषायां कस्यचित् विषयस्य सन्दर्भेन प्राप्ता स्थितिः इत्थं भूतम्, in this manner नाम्ना ज्ञायते। We'll see the example. एतादृशस्य इत्थं भूताख्यानस्य निर्देशार्थं प्रयुक्तानां प्रतिपरि अनु, this three will enjoy कर्म प्रवचनीय संज्ञा। Like for example, मातरं प्रति साधु, मातरं परि साधु. I think we have seen this example in the table, it is there. मातरम अनुसाधु, देवदत्तस्य मनसि मातुः विषये साधुभावो विद्यते। So विषयः मातृपदार्थः, स्थितिः साधुत्वम्, इत्थं भूतं मातृविषये साधुभावः, इत्थं भूताख्यान मातुः विषये साधुभावस्य निर्देशार्थः। मातरं प्रति साधु, अस्य वेत्तं भूताख्यानस्य निर्देशार्थम् अत्र प्रयुक्ताः. This karma pravachaniya, this ittam bhutakhyana, I think I have mentioned in the table, given the meaning also. There itself, one small line is there. What is ittam bhuta? The table, the number is karma pravachaniya yukte dvitiya. One minute, I will show you that.
21, that sutra is there.
21.
Pravachani.
21, yeah.
Hmm.
In association with certain prepositions, second is used. But karma pravachaniya somewhere I described also in this document. Anu, ati, abhi, upa. I think the next paragraph, 22. But also not there. Maybe in some other vibhakti. The karma pravachaniya is just one line I have added. Okay, anyway. So, ittam bhuta kyanarte. That is what Samskrita Bharati also says. So, lakshanam is jnapakam. Ittam bhuta kyanam kanchit prakaram praptasya upapadakam. Kanchit prakaram praptasya upapadakam. Ittam bhuta kanchit prakaram apannam. That is ittam bhutam. In this way, in this manner. Similarly here, Arim Pratibhaktaha. Arege Vishaya Kasyachana Devadatta Manasi Vidyamanaha Bhaktehe Akhyanam. Akhyanam Apurvaka Kya to tell, presenting the bhakti of bhakti which is present in the mind, in the heart of the Antakaranam, in Manasi of Devadatta. So Akhyanam, that is Ittam Bhuta Akhyanam. Duryodanam Prati Kruddaha. Duryodanam Pari Kruddaha Duryodanam. Duryodanasya Vishaye Bimbasya Manasi Vidyamanasya Krodasya Akhyanam. That is Ittam Bhuta. Asmin Deshe Purusham Prati Saundaryam Asti. So here, idam udaranam Paroda Manoramayaha Bhairavi Vyakyani Labate. Asmin Deshe Vidyamanaha Purushaha Sundaraha iti. Asmin Deshe Purusham Prati Saundaryam Asti. So in this, it is Ittam Bhuta. Third one is Bhagam. Vibhajana Kriya Janitaha Swaswami Sambandaha iti diyate. Vibhajanam is division. Vibhajanat anantaram kaschana amshasya swamitva jnapanam. Vibhajanat anantaram, after dividing. Vibhajanat anantaram kasyachit amshasya, the part, claiming a part of it. Swamitva jnapanam iti bhagaha. Like the example directly we'll see. Pratipari anu iti etesham prakrita sutrena कर्म प्रवचनीय संज्ञा भवति यथा यस्य स्वामित्वम् उच्यते तस्य निर्देशार्थम् अथवा यस्य अंशय रूपेण अन्यः पदार्थः विद्यते. एग्जाम्पल, लक्ष्मीः विष्णुं प्रति, लक्ष्मीः विष्णुं परि, लक्ष्मीः विष्णुम् अनु. समुद्रमन्थनेन जायमानेभ्यः पदार्थेभ्यः लक्ष्म्याः स्वामित्वं विष्णुना स्वीकृतम् इति अस्य अर्थः. लक्ष्मी इति भागः, that is a part. Vishnu iti bhagasya swami, the one who owns that. The word Lakshmihi arehe bhagaha amshaha asti iti arthaha api siddhyati. अत्र विभाजनात् अनन्तरं विद्यमानः स्वस्वामी सम्बन्धः एतैः कर्मप्रवचनैः प्रकटीभवति. विभाजनात् अनन्तरं the sambandha, the relationship in the form of swami, possessor, possessed. That relationship is there. That is what is indicated by this prati. Visham aram prati. Samudramantanena jayamanebhyah padartebhyah vishasya grahanam arena kritam iti ashayaha. Panchagramaha pandavan pratideyaha. So yuddhat purvam pandavanam dutaha भूत्वा कृष्णेन दुर्योधनस्य सकाशे पांडवाः पंचग्रामान् लभेरति विभाजनस्य उपायः डिविजन उक्तः इति अस्य आशयः वर्तते. Similarly, वृक्षं प्रति फलानि तिष्ठन्ति. Here where is vibhajana kriya? Not there. फलानि वृक्षस्य अवयरूपेण तिष्ठन्ति. Therefore vibhajana kriya नास्ति, परन्तु एकस्य पदार्थस्य अंशरूपेण स्थितः अपरः. This is also the meaning you have to take. एकस्य पदार्थस्य अंशरूपेण स्थितः अपरः अर्थः. अंशरूपेण means as a part of something. It remains as a part of something. That is another meaning. So, vriksham prati phalani tishtanti means there are fruits in the tree. Here also prati is karma pravachaniya in this meaning. This is given in the Prauda Manorama. Then vipsa. Vipsa is repetition. Padarthan, but here that is not the meaning. Padarthan vyaptam ichha. The desire to get a padartha in an object. Yesham padarthanam vishe vipsa uchyate. For example, vriksham vriksham pratisinchati. वृक्षं वृक्षं परिसिंचति अनुसिंचति इति अत्र प्रत्येकं वृक्षस्य सन्दर्भेण सिंचनक्रिया कृता अस्ति. therefore वृक्षपदार्थस्य निर्देशः कर्मप्रवचनीययुक्ते इति द्वितीया. नित्यवीप्सयोः by that सूत्र वृक्षपदार्थस्य द्वित्वं. That is vipsa we say generally repetition, but here it is vipsa is sananta aptum ichha. Praptam ichha is vipsa. Then griham griham pati pashyati. पश्यति परिपश्यति अनुपश्यति. प्रत्येकं गृहस्य विषये दर्शनक्रिया कृता अस्ति इति अस्य आशयः. Okay, in this meaning prati pari anu all these three are used. These examples are given in the Samskrita Bharati book. So lakshanam is jnapakam, indicator. Ittam bhuta kyanam kanchit prakaram praptasya upapadakam. Bhagaha Svikarya amshaha, the amsha which is Svikarya accepted, that is one meaning is given. Vibhajanat anantaram swaswami sambandha drishyate, that is bhagaha. Vipsa is karchena sambandham ichcha. Sambandham ichcha, praptam ichcha. Eshu arteshu, all the three karma prachaniyas are used. प्रति वृक्षं प्रति विद्योतते विद्युत्. प्रति इति एषः लक्षणार्थ द्योतकः. Indicator of the lakshana. Lakshana is lakshana is the Dyotakaha is indicator of the what is the meaning of Lakshana? Lakshana is Jnapakam, he has given, but
nature.
Guna.
English translation, what English translation? Difficult. Sanskritam is better. Lakshyate anena iti lakshanam. Lakshyate yena iti lakshanam. that by which something is indicated. That's called Lakshanam. Example here, Vriksham Prati Vidyotate Vidyut. So Vidyut is indicated by the direction in which it Vriksham Prati. So therefore it is Lakshanartha. Lakshyate anena iti. Lakshana. The Vyutpatti is like that. Lakshyate anena iti Lakshanam. That by which something is indicated. That is called Lakshana.
He has
So,
given mark or token or sign like that. They have given.
yes, that by which
Object.
something is indicated. Jnapakam. Lakshanam is Jnapakam, nothing is given. That by which something is indicated. Jnapakam. Jnapakam is indication, indicator, Lakshanaha. Karma pravachaniya sanya prakasutrena prati ityanena yogaha vrikshasya. Yogaha means sambandaha. Prati is connected to vriksha. Therefore, vriksha shabdat karma pravachaniya yukti iti sutrena dvitiya. Vrikshena lakshyamana vidyotate. Lakshyamana Srilinga, vidyut is Srilinga. That is why lakshyamana vidyut. Iti artaha sampannaha bhavati vakyasya. This is the meaning we get. Vrikshena lakshyamana vidyut. Lightning vidyotate lights towards the direction of the vriksha. So prakashitena vrikshena vidyut jnanat atra vrikshaha lakshanam iti jneyam. So vriksha is prakashita. Prakashitena vrikshena vidyut. Vidyut jnanat atra vrikshaha lakshanam iti jneyam. Cannot translate whatever the meaning is. Karma pravachaniya sambandhani bhaguri udaharani santi tesham prayoganam vairalyat thani atrada vivritani. Okay. Please see Siddhanta Kaumudi. It says simple. But a lot of examples we have seen. So lightning strikes towards the direction of vriksha. That is the meaning. In the direction of the vriksha. Lightning flashes. So therefore vriksha is, and Prati has got some yoga sambandha with vriksha. Therefore vriksha takes the sanya, karma pravachaniya. So that's what we say in the direction of. Lakshana is in the direction of. So lightning in the direction of tree. Therefore vriksha enjoys sanya, karma pravachaniya. Similarly other examples also. Then Tritiya. Tritiya we will see later. Now in the here we have read up to the Tritiya. Now Tritiya starts here in this book. Upapada Vibhakti. 3 types of Upapada. Padantarat, then Artha Vishesha, other one is Padanta Pariganita Shabda. Etesham Yoge, Saha Sakam Vina Alam Pratak Tulyartha. Sutrams and all we have just seen. 33, Saha Sakam Alam, then Tulyartha. Saha Yukti Apradane. Saha Tritiya, this is Saha Yukti Apradane. Gamyamana api kriya karaka vibhakto prayojika. Then tulyartha hi atula upamabhyam tritiyayam anyatarasyam 2372. Okay. Alam is, that is 34. Gamyamana api kriya karaka vibhakta prayojika. That is, it is alam shramena. That is a stock example we have seen. That is effort, further effort will not help in accomplishing the action. Therefore, alam shamena. Shamena karyam na siddhyati. That meaning is indicated. Therefore, alam iti. That's what its meaning is. I think we'll see the example here. Now, one by one. Ramaha Lakshmanena Sitaya Saha Saha Yukti Apradhane. Pradhana Karta is Ramaha, therefore Pratama. Apradhana is Lakshmana. So, Lakshmanena Saha. Lakshmanena Asitaya. Saha Balam Gachati. Apradhana. Apradhana Yukti Apradhana Karta. Then Pita Putrena Saha Kridati. Amla Janakam Vina Jivitam Na Shakyate. Vina also governed Tritiya. We have seen Dvitiya, Tritiya as well as Panchami. Jalam Vina Minaha na Jivanti. But we are doing Tritiya here. You should give Tritiya example. Amla Janakena Vina also we can say. I don't know. He has not given. The Tritiya example he has given. But Tritiya we can take. Alam Kridaya.
It should be Tritiya.
No, but in the
Yeah.
new book it is given Amla Janakena.
Maybe there corrections
okay.
made.
Very good. Alam Kridaya. Adhyayam Karatu. Alam Nidraya. Bhojanam Karatu. So this is also, I think, is there in our table. But table you have to find out where it is. It's difficult. But this Gamyamana Kriya is there. Somewhere they have written a note. One minute. Must be there somewhere. Alam Shamena, that's a stock example. Yeah. Alam Ruditena, Alam Atyadarena, Alam Ativistarena. Not this one, this Alam. Here it is Nindarte. Alam and this. This is Sahayukti Apradhane. Sakam Samam is also to be included. Sahayukti Apradhane 2319. And the Vakya here, what is given, the Siddhanta Kaumudi. Gamyamana api kriya karaka vivakto prayojika.
Tatha something, Anipsitam. I think that will come in that. 538 in a Siddhanta Kaumudi. Tatha Yuktam Janipsitam is there.
Tatha Yuktam Anipsitam. Sutra is Tatha Yuktam Anipsitam.
Many sutras are there. In that, we can take that one.
No, not here. It is Anipsitam Ditya Vibhakti. Ipsitam na Ipsitam Anipsitam. Not desired. That the action is not done with a desire.
Yeah.
Not this one.
Some other sutras are there, in that list 538 in Siddhanta Kaumudi. Sarvadhatike yak is there. Ata I upadhayascha na vrudyas chaturbhyaha. And then Yamaramana Matam Sakcha is there.
No, that,
so I thought only this sutra.
Gamyamana Kriya is here. What note he has given. Gamyamana Kriya Karaka Vibhakto Prayojika. Meaning,
Gamyamana is Shanach.
Yeah, that is Vitpatti is Shanach, Kampurvaka, Gamyamana, Avagamyamana, Kriya, कारक विभक्तौ प्रयोजिका. I think in my notes.
568 we have to check in Siddhanta Kaumudi.
568. What is that? 568.
In 568, Heto is there. Usha Vida Jagrubhyo Anyatarasya Manaha Ato Yakchin Krutoho Shadoho Kasi Upadhayamcha. These sutras are there in 568 of this one, Siddhanta Kaumudi.
Okay.
This Sutra Sankhya is Karanji.
But why is given for 34? 34 is Alam Nishedharte. For that footnote,
In
he has
new
given.
book, any corrections are there?
Just check any correction in the new book.
Sumati ji?
No, it's given same thing only.
Okay.
Yeah, that is what I said was correct. Gamyamana Kriya Karaka Vibhakta Priyojika is the example. He has not given that example, corresponding example here. Alam Shramena, I think in the table somewhere it is mentioned. I don't know where it is. Alam Shramena means further Shrama, effort, will not help in accomplishing the result. In Siddhanta Kaumudi it is given. Please see now. He has given the Siddhanta Kaumudi, Heto is Heto Tritiya, right? There he has Yetvarte Tritiya Syat. Dravyadi Sadharanam Nirvyapara Sadharam Cha Hetutvam. Okay, whatever. Like Dandena Kataha, Punyena Drishtaharihi, all those things we have seen. Adhyayena Vasati. Now, Gamyamana api Kriya Karaka Vibhakto Prayojika. For that he says, Alam Shramena, enough of effort, because Sadhyam Nasti iti Artaha. Sadhyam means the result is not there, because Alam Shramena, enough of your effort, result is not there. Sadhanam Sadhana Kriyam Pati Shramaha Karanam. So the effort, Alam Shramena, enough of effort, because the result is not accomplished. Enough of effort. So therefore, Gamyamana Kriya api Karaka Vibhakto Prayojika. Gamyamana means Avagamyamana. It is understood. Alam Shramena means Shramena Karyam na Siddhyati. That is the meaning. The Gamyamana Kriya, the Kriya is effort. By that, Karya Siddhihi, Shramena Karya Siddhihi na Bhavati iti Gamyamana. That also, that is what he says, Alam.
Shamita, in the table it is Alam Uditena.
Yeah, that is
Example.
That is for Alam, one Alam and Kritam. This is an example for this Vakya, what he has given Siddhanta Kaumudi. Gamyamana is Avagamyamana Kriya. So here, where is the Kriya? Alam Shramena. Alam Shramena, that is Shramena, by that, the Shama is the Kriya, the action. So Shramena Karya Siddhihi na Bhavati iti Gamyamana. So the Shramena is Tritiya Vibhakti. Anyway, but in this book, he has given the footnote that is not appropriate here. I think so, because Alam Kridaya means enough of playing. Adhyanam Karotu, Alam Nidraya. This is Nishedharte Alam here. Whereas Alam, in the sense of that further effort will not help in accomplishing the result. For that, he has given this footnote. That is a different context actually, not here. Here, just Alam Ruditena, Alam Adhyanena, Alam Nidraya. So that is a Alam here. That is in our table, what is it? Alam Ruditena, you
It's not
said.
clear, Ji.
Sorry?
Yeah, it's breaking.
Oh, voice is breaking. Okay. Yes, internet is not stable. One minute. What is the number Alam Ruditena? Just now I saw in our table.
52.
52.
50.
That is the example. Nishedarte Alam. In another place, Alam I have mentioned. Yes. The particles Alam and Kritam governs Tritiya Vibhakti. This is what, this is one thing. Okay. But what about Alam Shamena? Alam Shamena, there also, here if you see the example, Alam Ruditena, enough of crying. Alam Ati Vistarena, enough of elaboration. So Alam or Kritam. So Alam Shramena means enough of effort, meaning the Shramena Karya Siddhihi na bhavati iti gamyamana. Therefore, it is Shramena Karya Siddhihi na bhavati. Shrama is Heto Tritiya Vibhakti. Nishedarte. So, in that context only has to give, but not here. I feel so. Anyway. Okay, fine. Anyway, has given Alam Kridaya, Adhyanam Karatu, Alam Nidrya, Bhojanam Karatu. Alam Shramena is little different, not same. That's what I mean. Alam Nidraya, Alam Kridaya, Alam Shramena, they are not same. Alam Shramena means Shramena Kari Siddhiki Namavati. Shrama cannot give the result. So therefore it is the Hetu. Shramena Kari Siddhiki Na. So in the sense of Hetu, that is why I think Hetu in the Hetu he has given. Probably in our file also, Hetu in that topic, this example must have been there. We got to check Hetu Tritiya. Let me check in our table also. It's a small thing, but significant.
It's not there, Sharanji. I checked.
It's not there. It's not there.
Not there here.
Yeah.
If not in Hetu Tritiya, then this must be somewhere else. But this example is there. Somewhere I have mentioned it and given an explanation also. Okay, let me search the table. Just a minute. Let me.
Alam Ruditena is there.
Not that one.
Oh.
Alam Shramena. I remember somewhere it is that, but I don't know where it is. But anyway. It's a good example actually. Alam Shramena. The meaning of that I have given. Anyway. Okay. I'll see. Here it is Alam Nishedarte. Alam Kridaya, Alam Nidrya is Nishedarte. Alam Ruditena, that is Nishedarte Alam. Nishedarte Alam. Okay. Then Pratak, next one. Amravakshena, that already we saw. Parasavrikshaha, Pratak. Tulyartha, Sadrishaha. Tulya and as well as Paryaya Shabda also. Umayaha Mukham Chandrena Tulyam Asadrisham Vartate. Kalidasena Tulyaha Sadrisha Kavihi Nasti. These are all Padantarat. Next one. Prakritihi. Prakritihi is Prakrityadibhyaha Upasankyanam. An important one. Prakritihi has given the words in the Gana. Prakrityadibhya Prayaha Dukkam Nama Gotram. Then Durartaha. Durarta Antikebhyaha Sutram is Durartaha Antikartaha Etesham Prayoge Tritiya Bhakti. Pariganita Padat. Prakritya Swavena Uttamaha, by nature is Uttamaha is great. Prakritya Sundaraha, by nature is Prakritya Swavena. Prayena Adhyapakaha, Prayena Pachakaha. All these examples I think we have seen in the table. Sukhena Gramam Prapnoti. Dukkena Gramam Prapnoti also. Balaha Dukkena Chikitsalem Gachati. Namna Ayam Maheshaha is known by the name Magesha, Tritiya Bhakti. What Tritiya? Prakrityadibhyaha Upasankyanam. Patika. Gotrena Ayam Vishwamitraha. Tirasya Durena Vidyalayaha Vartate. Durena. Gramasya Durena Nadi Asti. Here Durena Durat. Here Grihasya Shashti or Griham, I think Dvitiya and Panchami also will come in some other context we have seen. Durena. Here we are talking about a Tritiya, therefore Durena. Grihasya Durena Vidyalayaha Vartate. Grihasya Durena Nadi Asti. So, the Dura Shabda, Dura, Durat, Durena, these Shabdas are there. Dura and Antika we have seen. Durantikarte Byaha, Saptami Adhikarana Sutram is there. By that Dura and Antika can have 4 Vibhakti. Dvitiya, Tritiya, Panchami as well as Saptami. Here what is the footnote? Footnote is not given, but in the table it is there. You can see 2, 3. Dure Gramasya, Ante Gramasya. Then Dura Antika can take 4 cases. Duram, Durena, Dura, Dure. Then Gramat Gramasya. This is what I was telling. So it can take Panchami. That is the word which these words. Durama, Durena, Durat, Dure. Duram Dvitiya, Durena Tritiya, Durat Panchami, Dure Saptami. These can govern Grama in either in Shashti or in Panchami. Similarly, Antika also. Durantikarte Byaha Saptami Adhikarane 2-336. And for which there is anuvritti of Durantikarte Byaha that coming as anuvritti. But that is Saptami Adhikarane the Sutra. So Durantikarte Byaha that is coming as anuvritti. Therefore, Dura Antika Arte Byaha Saptami Adhikarane 2-336. If you see the Sutra. 2-336. सप्तमी विभक्ति की भवती अधिकरण कारके चकारात् दुरांतिकार्तेभ्यश्च. Dure gramasya, antike gramasya. So you can see that is saptami vibhakti bhavati. Durantikartebhyah saptami adhikarane. Seventh case is used when the sense is that of occasion as well as after the words distant and near. This is what is important. Distant and near. Saptami vibhakti is used. Therefore, dure gramasya, antike gramasya. This is one. Similarly, this dura antika is there in dura antikarte, the previous sutra, 34. If you see, 35 with this sutra, 36 dura antikarte bhya dvitiya, and 34 also. This also, if you check, after the word Durananta, the second affix is used as well as fifth or the third. So Duram, Durat, Durena, both are okay. This all put together only I've written there. Duram, Dura, Durena. Then Dure also by the previous sutra. Va Gramasya. The previous sutra, if you take, that is Duranti Kartehi Shashti Anyatarasyam. Therefore, Panchami also will come. Like when conjunction with the word Dura and Antika, 60 cases optionally used, and this is Anuvruti of Panchami. Therefore, Gramata Gramasya Duram or Antikam. So put together, everything put together, that is what in the table I have written. Durena, Dura, Dure, Gramat or Gramasya. Put together everything. Dure Gramasya, Ante Gramasya. Then Dura Antika can take 4 cases. Duram, Durena, Durat, and Dure. By that, Grama will be either in Shashti or in Panchami. Shashti or Panchami by Sutra. Duranti Kartehi Shashti Anyatarasyam. When Dura and word is there, then 6th case will be optional. It means Panchami also. That is the meaning. We have seen that. Duram Gramasya. Durat, Duram Gramat. So like that. So that's what here he has given. Gramasya Durena. Because Tritiya Vibhakti is therefore it says Durena. Durat also correct. Duram also. Dure also. Gramasya Dure. Vidyaleha Vartate. We can say like that also. Gramasya Durena. Or Gramat Duram. Panchami also. Because Durantikartegi Shashtiyanatarasyam. By that sutra, Panchami also can come. Gramam, Gramat Duram, Nadi Asti. That is also correct. Grihasya Antikena, Parya Shabda also can come. Durantikarte therefore Nikatena Samipena Apanam Asti. Vrikshasya Antikena Nikatena Samipena Balaha Kridati. Iti. So in the table, everything put together given us an example. You can check that. Then Artha Vishesha. Eto here. Eto Vachakat Shabdat Tritiya. Eto Tritiya, this is. Kala Vachakasya Marga Parimana Vachakasya cha Gurena Kriya Dravyena cha Nirantara Sanyoge. Kala Vachakat Marga Parimana Vachakat Tritiya Palapraptehe Satte. So this is, that's the difference between Dvitiya and Tritiya. Dvitiya also we saw Atyanta Sanyoge. Here also Atyanta Sanyoge. And at the end of the Kala or the Marga, that is Advan, there is accomplishment of the result. There is accomplishment of the result. Example, Eto, Adyayena Jnanam Vardate. Kumbhakaraha Mritikaya Gatam Karoti. Here Eto is Karanam. Now, Palaprapto. Next one, Artha Vishesha is given second example for Artha Vishesha. Saptahena shlokan adite means in 1 week he has completed studying the shlokas. That is, completion is indicated. If saptaham is there, then that doesn't denote completion. If completion is what to be denoted, indicated, then Tritiya Vibhakti will come. Dvitiya Vibhaktehe chet saptaham yavat nirantaram adite ityartaha. Tritiya Vibhaktihi chet adhyanasya phalam avagamanam abhavat ityartaha. So when Tritiya Vibhakti is used, adhyanasya avagamanam bhavati. What is the sutra for that? Sutra we have seen. Sutra is Apavarge Tritiya. Remember? Apavarge Tritiya.
Yes, Jay.
If you check that sutra in our table, Apavarge Tritiya number is, there is accomplishment of the result of action. Atyanta Sanyoge, but
40.
40. Okay.
Mhm.
Apavarge Tritiya. Apavarga is the Artha Vishesha. He has given 2 examples. Eto is one Artha Vishesha, then Apavarga is another Artha Vishesha. Eto Tritiya we know. Eto Tritiya is Artha Vishesha, that which is the cause. Then 40. Yeah, here it is. Apavarga is Samaptihi. One meaning is Samapti here. Apavarga also means moksha, liberation. When the accomplishment of the desired object is to be expressed, in third case is used. After the word denoting the length of time or space, there is unbroken Atyanta Sanyogaha. Anna Kroshenava Anuvakaha Aditaha. Dvadashabhihi Dinehi Nirogaha Jataha. Masena Anuvakaha Aditaha. Dvadasha Varshehi Vyakanam Shruyate. All these are examples. Apavarge Tritiya. So, Tritiya Vibhakti, 2 examples he has given. Apavarge Tritiya, 1 example. And Hetav is this is the Hetav Tritiya. Next one. Adhyayena Vasati. Adhyayena Vasati is what is a Hetu. Palam Prati Hetu. He wants to study, gain the knowledge, that is a Hetu. For that purpose, he stays. Adhyayena. Punyena Ari Drishtaha. By Punya. Dayaya Guna. So Daya, Kriya Guna, Kriya Guna and Dravya. All the 3 are given. Yuddhena Harihi Jitaha. Tena Aparadena Dandyaha Asi. So all these are example. This is Dravya example. Dandena Gataha. The instrumental case is used to express the cause or motive or the object or the purpose of action as distinguished from the instrument of it. So this is Etau. Palapraptehe avave Dvidiya. Palapraptehe satve tritiya iti bedaha. Masena Bhagavad Gita janati. It means he has studied Bhagavad Gita in a month. He learned. Yojanena Gitam patati is Tritiya Vibhakti indicates that that action is accomplished. Now, let us do the exercise, this one, and then stop. 12.19. Tritiyantena nirukta sthanam purayata. Ramaha dash Lakshmanaha saham vanam jagama.
Lakshmanena
Lakshmanena
Sutra is Sahayukte
Sahayukte Tadane.
dash Sadrishaha Raja Nasti.
Ramena
Ramena
Sadrisha.
Sadrisha.
The sutra is Tulyartha
Tulyartaihi
Tulyata
Atula Upasankhyaha
Yani.
Tritiya Anyatarasya.
It's a Vartikam.
2372.
2372.
2372. Tulyartaihi Atula Upamabhyam Tritiyayam and Tritiya Anyatarasya. Dash Prakriti Drishtaha.
Prakritya.
Prakritya
2318. Kartukaranayostu.
Kartrikam. Yeah. No,
No?
prakrityadibhyah upasangkyanam.
Prakrityadibhyah upasangkyanam.
Prakrtyadibhyah
Vartikam.
upasangkyanam.
Vartika for that.
Vartikam. Vartikam to what sutra?
Kartrukaranayo's tritiya. For
Kartrukaranayo's
that
Kartrukaranayo's
Vartika.
tritiya.
Nayos tritiya.
Dash Sukham patati.
Sukhena patati.
Sukhena patati.
Here also same thing.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Gramasya antikam vanam asti.
Antikena.
Antikena. Durantika.
Same only.
Durantika tebhyah.
Antikam, here antikena because tritiya, but it can be other also. Like duram, durena, durat, dure. All these things are possible, right? So antika also.
Antikam.
Antikam, antikena, antikat.
Antikena, antika.
All four are
Antike.
possible. If it is duram, then panchami also possible for the word which it governs. So yes, Shashti Bhakti is given. Therefore, gramasya antikena vanamasti. By what sutra?
Same.
Same only.
Kartrukaranayo's
Durantika.
upasankhyanam.
Upasak.
Durantikartebhyah.
Tebhyah.
Dvitiya is, that is 2, 3, 35.
335 to 335.
And as anuvritti of Dvitiya coming as anuvritti for 2, 3, 35. See the sutra. Durantikartebhyah Dvitiya cha, it has anuvritti of Tritiya anyatarasyam. Then Durantikartehi Shashti anyatarasyam, that also is there. And Dura and Antika is there. Shashti Bhakti will be there for the word which governs optionally. Therefore, Shashti or Panchami, both are valid. That's why Duram, Dura, Durena, Duram, then Gramasya or Grama, that example is given. Then this Durantikartebhyah Saptami comes as Anuvritti, it will take Saptami also. So here the example is given Tritiya Bhakti. Therefore, Antikena, Gramasya Antikena Vanamasti. Right?
It's in the sutra. Sutra number.
Gramasya Antikena.
Previous
Therefore,
one. Sukhena.
2, 3, 35. Which one you are asking?
That is a fourth one. Sukhena patati.
Prakratyadebhyah upasankyanam.
Same. Okay.
Prakratyadebhyah upasankyanam. You have to take it as.
Okay.
Fifth one is Sutra Durantikartebhyah Dvitiya cha, for which Dvitiya is given. Tritiya coming as anuvritti. Tritiya anyatarasyam. So Durantikartebhyah Tritiya vibhaktihi vikalpena bhavati. Dvitiya cha, Tritiya also can come. And this goes on. 35.
Which sutra? 35. Okay.
By that Tritiya, Dura and Antika Shabda can take Tritiya vibhaktihi. When you take Tritiya vibhakti, what will happen to the word which governs? That can be either in Panchami or Shashti. Gramasya or Gramat. Both are okay. Both are correct. Gramat Antikena Vanamasti or Gramasya Antikena Vanamasti. Gramasya Antikam Vanamasti. That is also correct. Gramasya Antikat Vanamasti. That is also correct. Gramasya Antike Vanamasti. That is also correct. You follow?
Yes.
Here it is, Tritiya is the example, therefore Antikena, Gramasya Antikena. All are possible, all are correct only. Vyakaranam dash masaha shunnoti. If you put it Dvitiya, then the action is not completed. If it is Tritiya, apavarge Tritiya. If it is Dvitiya, then Kaladvanoho Atyanta Sanyogi. That's Sutra. If it is Tritiya, then apavarge Tritiya.
Masena means apavarge.
Samaptaha. Action is accomplished. Dash jala vina vrikshaha na vardante.
Jalena.
And Dvitiya also possible, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Panchami.
vina nana. Panchami also, yes. Jalat vina also. By the sutra, that nana Vina Anyatarasyaam is the Pratak Nana. What is that?
Pratak na. Okay. That is
Hmm.
Tritiya Anyatarasya.
Yeah. Tritiya Anyatarasyaam. Pratak Nana Vina Bigi Tritiya Anyatarasyaam by that sutra. 2-3-32. Yes.
2-3-32.
2-3-32.
Yeah.
Dash Prayaha Iyam Patashala. Here also. Prayena Iyam Patashala.
Prayena.
Prayena.
What Tritiya? Praya.
Prakrityadipya.
Yeah.
Prakrityadipya.
Upasankyanam. Prakritya, that is Gana, and that Gana we have this word Praya. Prayena. Nidra Alasyam Vardate.
Nidraya.
What Tritiya is that?
Hetau.
Very good.
Hetau.
Hetau Tritiya.
Wow.
Hetau is the dash Nama Ayam Arisha.
Namna.
Namna.
What sutra?
It is
Prakrityadipya.
Prakrityadibhya Upasankyanam.
Sadipya Upasankyan.
Okay. I think we'll stop here. Jan Chaturthi. See, the most difficult topic is one is Samasa, other one is Karaka.
Karaka.
This is what is the real Sanskritam is. We cannot arrive at this is what it is conclusively. We cannot say. Some we have know only from the Shishta Prayoga. That is why we cannot map everything to Sutra. Not possible. Some are covered by Vartika. Some we know only from the usage. This is what real Sanskritam is. This application of just Sutra, getting the form, Angakarya, that is not simple mathematically. But this is Samasa, and this is really challenging. Need to remember many things, connect many things, and then remember. It's a little difficult. So we need to spend more time studying in this. But basic things we know. With that we can, of course, we manage the whole show. In detail means then we have to study. I think that's what we are doing. The table covers exhaustively. And this Sanskrit Bharati book and this book also. I think this will do. This three will do. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.